Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today we have a very cool unboxing for you, and that is the Huawei MediaPad M5 Lite. Now, this is a really outstanding tablet. It's a mid-range tablet starting at $299. It has a lot of great things that a lot of people that I think are looking for a tablet should take a look at. So this is a 1080p display, 10.1-inch screen, 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage. It comes with an M Pen, so a very fine tip stylus, as well as quick charge Type-C and quad speakers done by Harman Kardon, so should be pretty nice. So let's go ahead and unbox it, and I'll set it up and do some first impressions of it, especially those speakers. I'm very curious how loud it sounds. And again, at this price point, you just don't get anything like this. Wow, this is actually pretty small for a 10-inch. Yeah, it's pretty small, very light, lightweight, compact, not too big of bezels. Let's go ahead and see where, so the power button and the volume rocker is right there. You can kind of see the back and how it is. You have the big camera right here. Quad speakers on the top and bottom over here. Oh, there it goes. So there's the Type-C and headphone jack that we have right there. So that's always good, Type-C and headphone jack. It looks like it has a SIM card removal tool. This might be the LTE version. And not sure what these are for at the top right here. It looks like they're either microphones. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and set that up, and then we'll take a look at it. Let's actually, before we do that, let's actually get the pen as well, just so we can kind of see what that looks like. Oh, I like that. One thing I definitely missed from the old S Pen for Samsung ones was the little clip-on part. I really like having a little clip-on. It's just so much easier to use and find. It might only be for certain applications because it's not working on it right here. So I'll have to wait and see about that. Maybe I have to set it up all the way first. And there's your cable and your plug. And different tip in case your pen messes up. So yeah, let me go ahead and set this up, and then we're gonna go ahead and take a look at it. All right, so now we have the tablet all set up. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. So one important thing to note about the pen, it has this little part inside of it, so you have to twist it open in order to use it, and then it works just fine. It also has 2 apps built into it, which I like for the pen, and it does pretty good converting. And yes, you can convert all your text into writing just that easily, so I do like that about it. And overall, it's moving pretty quick. I still don't like certain things like you can't swipe up. I think just the overall interface has the same gripes that you normally would about Huawei. However, I do like that, again, with the pen, you can basically, anytime you are using the pen, it will instead write. And don't even have to be close, but it will actually be able to change it all around for you. So any part you write instead of typing, that will be the difference maker. It auto detects it, so that's really nice. Now let's go ahead and check out the sound quality and then the video quality. So for sound quality, let's go ahead and play this at full volume.
Bird out, baby, and I'll be right there. I'll fight through any enemies, evil, darkness, all of them. Cause you got what it takes, baby. You know you're better than all of them. You're my #1 girl. You got everything I need. I know we're meant to be, so let's go fulfill prophecy. Come on. I'll be your hero, baby, if you let me.
So honestly, speakers are really nice and really loud for a tablet. You definitely get those quad ones coming from the bottom and from the top. So yeah, you're not gonna really cover them up no matter how you grab it, unless I guess you're holding it this way, but I don't say most people hold their tablet in portrait. Most people will hold it in landscape. Everything's just designed to hold in landscape. Now let's go ahead and check out the video quality and see how it is. Now this does play at a 1080p resolution. This is a bit better quality video though. It is a 4K video, so we can see just how well it plays on here. but honestly, the clarity looks really good. The colors look pretty good. I would want it to be a little bit brighter, especially from different viewing angles, but overall not bad at all and definitely stands out in terms of its look. So I do like that a lot, just how the clarity overall with this tablet is. So yeah, pretty excited about it. I really will kind of play with it more and see what should I test out. Should I do a gaming review on this one? Should I just do an overall review, or should I do a comparison? Obviously there are some other tablets coming out in this price range over the next month or so. Which one would you want me to compare it to? Let me know in the comment section down below. Which ones would you want me to see this compared to? Honestly, I really am liking this tablet. So yeah, I think we're gonna be having some pretty interesting stuff with it. Let me know in the comments section down below. Over 13 hours of battery life, I think that's pretty good for most people. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.